Rashmi Kumari Khisi, Nisha Thakur, Meena Dewa, Neela Joshi, Pratiksha Chaudhary, Shoma Kumari Pradhan, Anita Casey, Hema Rawat, Savita Rana Magar, Savitri Kisan, Roshni Bahari Chetri, Sajini Chowkar, Kusum Khatiwara. We also welcome the head coach, Jivesh Kumar Pandey, assistant coaches, Janak Singh, Bhagwati Thapa, team manager, Vijay Kumar Casey, the goalkeeping coach, Chandradevi Bahag, physiotherapist, Lakshman Gari, team leader, Kamal Prasad Tuisina, and the team admin, Milan Adhikari. Big cheers for APF Club Nepal for being the best representation for Nepal and fighting it along until the very end. Despite the fans hoping for another result, I think tonight we celebrate the win in women's football, a remarkable tournament.